Now compassion. As I mentioned yesterday, I think yesterday, the compassion, sense of concern, of well-being towards one's own friend, those people who really show to you positive. That sense of concern is, as I mentioned there, biased. Actually, very much involve attachment. So as soon as attachment develops, that's unrealistic attitude, biased. And the biased, limited attachment often bring hatred. Clear? So, a compassion which we want to promote, it is unbiased compassion. That compassion, once we train, not only towards one's own close people, but also enemy. Because the biased affection or compassion mainly oriented other sort of action towards me, good, positive, friendly. So I love them. These people harm to me, negative action towards me, so instead of affection, feel anger. The other unbiased compassion, not oriented their action or their attitude, but simply they are also sentient being or human being. They also want happiness. They also have every right to overcome suffering. So, on the basis of that kind of awareness, then develop genuine sense of concern. That's unbiased, right? No. Unbiased compassion. Genuine compassion. Here, no attachment.